Hi guys, welcome to my channel. We're gonna get straight into this video. So this hair was done by ToyinAjHair on Instagram. She did such a great job. As you can see, the little baby hairs, they finna lay, they ain't going nowhere, and they're looking gorgeous babies. They're looking fly. So yeah, we're gonna get into my makeup. I'm just gonna tell you a bit about myself, you know, get to know me. So my name is Susan Gatharia. I'm Kenyan. My parents are Kenyan. I was born and raised in Ireland though, in Dublin, specifically Tala. I lived there for the majority of my life. I moved from Ireland when I was 14. I moved to Kenya. Not because I was being naughty or whatever, just because my parents wanted to go back to their home country. They were tired of living in Europe and they just wanted to be in their homeland and basically live out the rest of their lives there. So because I was young, I obviously had to move with them, but it was very difficult for me. So I lived there from August 2014 till early January 2016, and then I moved to Bolton, Greater Manchester. I've only moved recently to Nottingham. I go to NTU, which is Nottingham Trent University. I'm studying psychology, but it's hella different. Like, I think it's obviously because I didn't study psychology in college. I did forensic science in college as a BTech, and so that had an element of like criminology / like forensic psychology, but it wasn't a lot, literally, and we just did it for our first year, and then second year we didn't have any like kind of psychology, no criminology, no forensic psychology. It was literally just science. So I didn't really get to have the full view of what psychology really is, and I can really see, like, goodness gracious, like, it's a lot more than what people think, just all your feelings and what you've been through. Like, I've only done my first assignment so far, but I'm feeling like the pressure already. Like, I don't know, like, it just feels a lot different to college. I'm loving the university experience as a whole. I've always wanted to be independent. I've always kind of been like independent, like, leave me to do my own thing. I want to be by myself, or I want to be I want to fly, you know, I want to flap my little wings and fly. So that's like one of the best parts of university, like getting up when I want to, going where I want when I want to, like not asking anybody for permission, not having to explain yourself when you come back home. Like, literally, you do what you want to do when you want to do it, like, and you answer to nobody, literally. Like, I've just enjoyed that, and not to say that I've gotten crazy, but I've just enjoyed that in general. I've been dreaming of moving away and going to university since I was like maybe 14, 13, or even less. Like, I've always wanted to be by myself. I've always wanted to live my own life. Like, so like I was just waiting for this day, and it came, and like time has just flown by crazy. I have 2 siblings. I have an older sister and I have a younger sister. Yeah, I have an older sister and a younger sister. My older sister's married. She has 2 kids, and my little sister is 12. So she's like in year 8. Yeah. So my favorite YouTubers are, or the YouTubers that I watch quite a lot, are Nella Rose, Miss R Fabulous, Mella Child, Sophiology, Cinderella OG, Miss Princess Susie, like Lisa Mapsy, like the Patrons, Annie Drea. Am I an introvert or an extrovert? I classify myself as an introvert because when I'm in a social setting, I can be sociable. However, it can only last for so long, and it's not like I crave it. It's not like I'm alone and I'm like, oh my goodness, I really just want to be friends. Friends are great, don't get me wrong, and I think that they are super important, especially if you're like away from home and you're at university. Like, I think that they're so important. Still have my girls, like, you know, that have been so supportive. I'm gonna talk a bit about what I want to do with my channel and why I created my channel. I've been wanting to make a YouTube channel for literally like almost 2 years now. Saying that I've been wanting to do it for like 2 years, but I actually I didn't actually seriously think about now, like, how am I gonna do the videos, how am I gonna edit, how am I gonna do all of this until I reached until end of December, like December 2017. That's when I actually started thinking about, okay, so how am I gonna do this? Like, I bought softbox lights, 2 of them, which you could probably see in the background. Right now I'm just using natural lighting because I couldn't afford the ring light. I think it was about 90 or 100, and I just couldn't afford that at the time. So I was like, okay, like, let me just go with this then. And Dad got me a camera for, I think, either Christmas or my birthday. And then just life got so busy. I was thinking I was gonna film it in February, and then I started doing the whole editing thing, and that just put me off of it just because it's so difficult. Like, you don't understand. Like, those YouTubers that you see that are, like, their editing is amazing, like, it's actually really good quality. Like, they've done a lot of work for it to get to the point that it is. Like, it's not just sitting and talking. Like, the editing is crazy. It's actually wild. So I really respect, like, YouTubers that really put in a lot of thought. They really make sure the videos are amazing before posting it out. Like, I really do respect them and really just do, I just respect the hustle. Actually, at one point did post out a video, but when my friends were watching it, like, it was pausing, and it wasn't like the Wi-Fi, like, it was just literally just pausing and like freezing, and I was like, when I was playing it, it wasn't doing this, so what is this? And so I just felt so embarrassed, and I just took it down, and ever since I just didn't want to release a video until maybe I had the right, again, equipment. So it's coming back to that. But then shout out to Miss R Fabulous. Like, I asked her on her Instagram, like, what did she use to film, and she told me she uses her iPhone and a ring light, and that's it. And I was just like, whoa, like, Susan, that's all you really need, like, to actually start what you've been wanting to do. That's all you really need. So that kind of just as well kind of just made me think, Susan, you can actually do it. Like, you can really just do it now. You can't keep waiting till this time next time. Like, it's not gonna happen, or even if it does, it will take a long time, and you could have been doing it all this time. So that's what's kind of like pushing me to just get it done, and to kind of just, you know, not care about, okay, you may not have a Mac, but even still, like, you can still release videos and it can still do very well. Like, you know, it's about the content you release. So my channel is hopefully gonna be all about, like, experiences, things that I've been through, like my life in Ireland, life in Kenya. These are just some of the things, boarding school experiences, like dealing with stuff there, dealing with Ireland, like friendship experiences there, or school experiences there. I can even talk about student finance. I can talk about uni in more detail. I can talk about my journey on my way to become what I want to become. At first it was clinical psychologist, but now it's changing. I just know in life I have to be successful. Like, I'm not trying to be like going to uni, or like, I'm not trying to do nothing for the sake of it. Like, I want to have a career, I want to be making money, like, and that's what I'm going to do, definitely by force by fire. There will be story times, there will be Q&As, there'll be hair tutorials sometimes, there'll be makeup tutorials sometimes. I'm not like a makeup expert, so I just do what I feel is best for my face. Talking about reviews on products, stuff like that. A little bit of like everything, girl, a little bit of everything. And I really do hope you guys like it and just support, you know. I'm using quite affordable products because girl, finance hasn't dropped, so it hadn't dropped. It has not dropped. So girl, it's a struggle. We're living a difficult life. I just put a highlight here. And I feel like once you put a bit of setting spray on the brush with the highlighter and you also set your face, the highlighter just comes off a lot better. Like, whoa. Girl, that's it. Whoa. Oh, we need a nice nose highlighter and a bit on the bridge, you know. I like a bit on my forehead, but not too much that you can be like, oh my gosh. And a bit on my chin. And definitely on my Cupid's bow. Like, what? Like little Susie? Like, oh, look at that. Oh! Oh! You guys are not really bringing this. That's how bright my future is shining. By the way, this highlight is from Revolution Strobe Highlighter in Gold Addict. I'm going to put on some mascara. I'm not gonna leave it like that. I'm going to also add a bit of, this is from Primark. This is budget friendly, guys. And this is from Superdrug. That's it for my look today. Just going to take off this scarf. So guys, thank you for watching my video. I super duper like appreciate it. Look at how she did the baby hairs on this. Like, really shout out to her. Like, shout out to her. Like, shout out to her. So yeah, this is my makeup for today and my outfit and my look. It's not 3-in-1, so I'm not gonna stand up. Because I actually wear this outfit quite a lot. People probably know me by this outfit. But this is my look for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope to see you in my next video. See you soon. Much love. Bye.